Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to first of all use a brown paper for the marking, or for the marking. I'm going to use a brown paper for the marking because I don't want to waste my fabric. The down part of it, the other half part of it has a place that you have to cut out. I don't know if you understand. Yes, you understand what I'm trying to say, because you see the picture already. So I started by marking out my shoulder to shoulder measurement, which is 12 inches plus divided by 2, which is 6 inches. So that same 6 inches is what I went down for my armhole measurement. That's the second line you saw. Then for my neckline, I decided to make a big neckline because I don't want to attach zip to this style. And I also made my daughter's own to be free. So if you want to attach zip, please, you can go ahead and make it fitted at the upper part of it. Then neckline the way you want it. So I did 3 by 3, 3 inches wide and 4 inches length, or 4.5 inches length in length. So for the shoulder slope, I went down by 1 inch, and that's all for the upper part. Then for my bust measurement divided by 4 is what I did, and I added my allowance, 1 inch allowance. Then I have marked my half length. My half length is 11 inches plus 1 inch allowance for the joining of the shoulder and the half length. So I added 1 inch allowance for it, and I marked that same one. Then I'm going to insert my waist measurement on that place, which is my waist divided by 4 plus allowance for the sewing, for the joining, and that's what I got there. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is a good time for you to hit that subscribe button. Please hit on the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel, please. It's free. It's free. Nobody is going to charge you for it. It's free. Thank you very much for hitting on that subscribe button. And to my old subscribers, I say thank you. Thank you very much for supporting me. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share my videos. I saw the shares. Thank you very much for all the people that has been sharing my videos. Thank you very much. I appreciate them. So when you look at the style, you see that there is a cutout at the center part of it. So for this, I did 2.5 because I'm going to use some inches from that 2.5 to join it to the other part. So this is 2.5 downward to the length, and that's all, basically all for the. So I'm going to use this same one to cut out the back one. The only difference is the neckline. I went down by 1.5. But if you want to put your zip, you can also include your zipper allowance for it. And that's all for the cutting. And then I transferred it to my fabric. So for this remaining part, that's the second part of the style, I doubled the length of the width of the measurements to get what I'm going to gather at the two sides of the fabric. And that's all for the cutting. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's any question, please don't forget to leave a comment below. And I believe the the sewing part is explanatory enough, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe as well, please. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, what I did here is I measured the cutout place, and then the fabric I had to gather it to get the exact measurement of the cutout. I use my hand stitch to do this. You can as well use your machine or you can as well print it on it to get it. So when I got it, I made a knot and then attached it to the fabric. So another thing I wanted to mention is about the fabric. I For me, I would say I didn't choose the right fabric, but I think mentioning it now will help you. Please don't choose this fabric. It's so light. It's so light. I would suggest you look for a thicker one. It will give you a better result and also help you in working it. Especially if you are a beginner. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you again, once again, in my next video. Bye bye.